Life is amazing. Life is beautiful.
Life is amazing. Life is beautiful. I'm grateful to experience this simulation. Having the right knowledge to improve myself at all times. I see myself and I see reality. I compose my reality. Abundance is flowing in my veins. I am a free spirit and immune to all weaknesses. I am in perfect health. I'm healthy as an astronaut. This is what I have decided. I have high levels of vitality and a powerful energy field. I am a very charming individual. There is a certain metaphysical glow about me. People see it, sense it, and are drawn to me. I bring with me a feeling of joy and celebration. Before I die, I shall live. To forget the known, I shall step into the unknown. As I deserve it, and I love it. Let's go, champ. Life is amazing. Life is beautiful. Boom.